Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So in this video we will learn chapter 8 subtopic 8.2 biodiversity. Okay, biodiversity is divided into three groups: genetic diversity, ecosystem diversity, and species diversity. Genetic diversity is variety of genetic makeup within a species. So look at to the picture of the frog. Okay, the variation in the frog, okay, makeup in within a species is called genetic diversity. The second one is ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity is variety of habitats, ecosystem and community. So, such as a rainforest. Okay, a diverse of organism in this ecosystem. Species diversity is variety of species in a given area. Okay, so this is the species diversity of frog. Genetic diversity is gene variation is of an individual within a population, and the gene variation between the different population of the same species. Okay, variation among the same species is called genetic diversity. Difference in genes are due to individual isolation and adaptation to different environment. No two individuals of the same species are identical. Example, the huge variety in gene combination allow for genetic variation in plants such as paddy. There are many varieties of cultivated rice all over the world. Species diversity, the variation and variability of organisms on Earth. Species diversity include the total number of species in a community, species richness, and the species distribution in a community, species evenness. Example, tropical rainforest has large species diversities. There are 5 to 10 million of insect species, while there can be more than 2 million species of flowering plants in the tropical rainforest. So this is called species diversity. Ecosystem diversity, the biotic community and ecological process in ecosystem on the land, in the sea, and the other aquatic environment. Example, there are ecosystems rich in biodiversity that can be found in ocean, in the desert, and even in the swamp. So, it's based the diversity is based on the ecosystem. Okay, so now let's discuss about the term in biodiversity, phylogenetic tree. Phylogeny means evolutionary history of a species or a group of organisms that are genetically linked. A phylogenetic tree is a diagram that represents hypotheses on evolutionary relationship among a group of organisms. Phylogenetic classification is the classification system that shows the evolutionary relationship and history of the studied organism. Phylogenetic classification is now used in many modern classification systems. So in phylogenetic classification is done using homologous structure. Homologous structure refers to a structure of body parts or body anatomy that can be observed across multiple organisms which share some ancestor, even though the function of the structure may differ from one organism to another. So this is the structure of the homologous structure. You can see the upper limb of the human, upper limb of cat, upper limb of whale and bat. The body parts or body anatomy. So the human, cat, whale and bat is mammalian. Okay, they share some ancestor. The evolutionary relationship and history between the different type of species can be depicted via the phylogenetic tree. The branch in the phylogenetic tree show how a species or a group of organisms diverge from same ancestor. So this is how the limb of four animals with same bone structure may differ greatly in size and length. We can see the structure of upper limb of human. The blue one, the bone that blue in color, is color in blue. Okay, is humerus. So we can see the humerus of the cat is different size compared to human, and this is the humerus of whale. It's smaller than the size is smaller. Okay, and then this is the structure of humerus in bat. Okay, you can see the radius, the structure of radius greatly differ greatly size in length. So this is the structure of radius in whale, and this is the structure radius in bat. You can see the phalanx, okay, and the phalanx of the whale, and then the phalanx of the bat. Evidence suggests that land plant evolved from green algae. Okay, evidence suggests that land plant evolved from green algae. First, land plant originated from non-vascular plants such as mosses, followed by seedless vascular plants such as fern. Vascular plant then advance into gymnosperms and angiosperm, which are vascular plant with seed. Example of gymnosperm and angiosperm are conifers and flowering plants respectively. Angiosperm are considered as the most successful plants since their seeds are enclosed inside the fruit to ensure the species survival. So this is the evidence suggests that land plant evolved from the green algae. So all the plant in this world are came from the common ancestor, which is green plant, and then the evolution of the green algae, okay, will form the non-vascular plant. So we can see the most in the non-vascular plant, and then the evolution occur. Okay, the green plant will evolution into the vascular plant. Okay, vascular plant divided into seedless plant and seed plant, and the seed plant is divided into non-flowering plant, which are gymnosperm, and flowering plant is angiosperm. So this is the evolution of the green plant. Okay, the importance of biodiversity on the environment and human. The importance of biodiversity, such as source of food, medicine, education, maintain a balance in nature, recreation, and scientific research. Okay, and then the second one is how to maintain the biodiversity. Okay, we can maintain the species in their natural habitat such as national park and permanent forest reserve. This conservation is called in situ conservation. So this is how the measure taken in Malaysia. Okay, we have national park. So national park is in situ conservation. And then another measure taken in Malaysia is ex situ. Ex situ conservation is effort to conserve species found outside of their natural habitat, such as we can see ex situ conservation in zoos or botanical garden. That's all for 8.2. Thank you.